Are you ready to unlock the secrets of your local real estate market and make confident decisions about buying or selling? First, head over to Redfin.com and in the search bar, type in the city, neighborhood, or zip code you're interested in. Let's say you're curious about Seattle, Washington. Once the page loads, scroll down until you spot the section titled Market Insights. This is where the magic happens. Click on See All Market Data. This page is your treasure map. You'll see key metrics presented in an easy-to-understand format. Pay close attention to the median sale price. This shows the middle price point of homes sold recently. Next, check out the inventory levels. Is it a buyer's market with lots of homes available, or a seller's market with limited choices? This will impact your negotiation power. Don't skip the days on market metric. A low number suggests homes are selling quickly, indicating high demand, while a higher number might mean buyers have more time to consider their options. For a more specific analysis, you can filter by property type, looking for just condos. Select it from the options. This will refine the data to match your specific interests. Finally, explore the historical trends. Redfin provides charts and graphs that show how these key metrics have changed over time, helping you identify potential patterns and predict future market behavior. Now you're ready to dive in and happy house hunting.